Welcome to Jason's Electronics Repair. I am going to show you today how to solder a IC onto a board. We're going to solder this SOP 16 on this unit right here. I'll be using my Hakko FX951 along with the FM2032 micro pencil with the 0.6 millimeter chisel tip. So I'm going to put this under the microscope and then we are going to solder this on. So I'm going to get my microscope under here. I'm going to switch you to the scope. I'm going to put this chip here like so. And grab it, grab my tweezers, grab a little bit of flux here, and then I'm going to grab my solder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of flux to this pin right here and the pin over here in the corner like so. So I'm going to add a little bit of flux there. I have my micro pencil ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to line this chip up on these pads the best that I can get them on here. So just like so. I'll line it up. Whoops, too much that way. Eight movements here. Okay, so there we go. Just need to move it a little bit this way. Okay, so that is almost in position. I am going to lock it down with my tweezers, holding it down like so. And I am going to, actually, I want to move it just a little bit more. There we go. So now I'm going to lock it down with my tweezers like so. I'm going to put a little bit of solder on the end of my micro pencil. I'm going to touch this leg right there, just like so. So that leg is pinned down. Now I'm going to turn the unit around and I'm going to just give it a little bit of an adjustment here. So that's centered there, and then I'm going to touch this pad right there. And now that chip is securely down there, and I can come in with my solder like so. A little bit of solder on each one of these. And flip it around one more time. And touch all these pins here. Like so. And you can do this with any size chip that is the side package like that, the single. So I call them dual inline packages still, but they're not dual inline packages, they're SOP packages. So that's how I do that, and then you can come in with a little bit of IPA and clean up the flux off of there, and you have a chip installed. So I know we didn't use any of my test equipment in this video, but this is the test equipment I use on my bench for testing and repairing electronics. This video here is just to filter in the rebranding to Jason's Electronics Repair. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching and have a fantastic day.